this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location. There is one nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. See on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is excellent. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 6 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Facilities and offers are available online for this property along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to locate, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this property, you can contact us by commenting. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.